Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a iPhone 12 Pro Max and the camera glass is broken, and I will show you in 2 minutes how you can replace your camera glass and nicely. Can you see here is broken? First we will remove the extra part. Little bit is here, left here. Another piece is gone. And today first we will remove this piece and clean the I will use the straight screwdriver. Yeah, just take care pieces not goes inside in there. Carefully. Carefully, don't go tiny pieces inside in the camera. If goes inside tiny pieces, then camera is not work correctly. All is removed, just little bit, very tiny pieces is stuck there. Just slowly work here, don't rush. And now going to try, it's stuck very tiny pieces here. Try with this thinner. Yeah, removed it. Yeah, now all is come out. And first I need to clean all from edges carefully. This cleaning dust or anything else don't need to go inside. It's not hard, just need to care too much for change. If you can't care, then it's will be hard for you, otherwise it's not the hard work for change the back glass. Now cleaning is done, make sure all is, and after the little bit do same like this. Maybe if you have any dust in the camera, move a little bit this. After cleaning, turn on phone and one time check camera is working fine. If it's working fine, then you can put the glass on it. Check must before put the glass, new one. And this is his new glass. Already have a sticky tape there, that's why I will just put it there and job is done. Yeah, and little bit press. After put little bit press, the job is done. Hopefully guys this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.